my not no love. Yo, dog, they don't have no meaning. Now let me read you 4 book. Your love don't have no. Man a fighter, bad survivor, anyway me go. Me have the sniper, the just call out there, we have to fight back. Cause me know where Samson get from the woman Delilah. Me coulda learn to fly a pin, but me go learn to fly back. That is if you try the road, that moment say get wiser. Cause if me click them off, load up with them, make a vice. Me don't realize, say them have to take my life, but I don't take my life. Alright. Hey, bro, fuck up. Oh, what is up, guys? Because give me another reaction. Oh, but. Yeah. And today with Silk Boss. You don't know, Silk Boss with Trust. Big up Terdan. You don't know, big up Terdan. Trap City Records. You don't know. Big up Silk Boss. Big up the whole team. Digital Productions. You don't know, LVM. You don't know media production, FS Media Production. Big up myself. I'm just reading from these. Big up on yourself still. You don't know. So we're gonna jump in that one here and see what go on and what I go on. Let's go, Silk. Members of Silk was no miss yet, you know. Members of Silk was no miss no song yet, you know. Every song the man drop a bomb in a dog. You see me? So make you see what go on.
You know the thing?
Yes, man.
I think you know. Hold on. Did I miss something? I'm sorry. Did I miss something and I'm starting? So obviously she come. I missed this. Bumbleclad. You know why I missed this? Because I focus on the front. I not focus. I'm glad to be forward back. Thank myself. I not thank Kodo. I never tell me to go back. Me go back myself. Me see this. They actually price your drink. Don't drink it. Blood clot. Sink. Don't drink it. Alright. What do you mean? You're dead. But. Gotcha. Alright. See it there? Yeah. So, me just pick up the story now. Like I said, the first part, I miss it. So, alright, I went back and I corrected myself. She jumped out of the car a while ago and she said, Damien. She said, yes, Damien. So, we done, she said, my charger, Damien, come up on the phone, went on the phone, the ring. Was that Silk phone? I think that was Silk phone. Because she never answered the phone. Let's go. Let's see if she has the phone in her hand. She have a different phone in her hand.
Yes, man.
She have a different phone in her hand. It was a green phone. Yo, me know I miss nothing either, dog. Me know I miss nothing, brother. Let me see. Green phone case here, sir. So, we now know, say, a Silk phone this. Because this have the green phone. Me break down everything. Me analyze everything. Silk phone this. She, fair phone is a different color. Look on it now.
You know the thing?
Yes, man.
Different phone shop in her hand, dog. So a Silk phone him call a while ago. But I understand why I'm not call Silk phone though. You see that, sorry, I know the song can't start yet. You see that him call Silk phone, forget the signal to she say, yo, come outside, I'm outside. Maybe, I don't know. Let's go to that song now. Because we're not going there yet.
Me no know how I'm do for make the boy them hate me. Me no know how I'm do for make the boy them fear. So me have to pray to my God every day. Tell him clear the way, cause for me heart still a ache.
Me know what you do. Me can't tell you what you do. Every song you drop a bomb. That's how you do. Your success die here, brother. That's how you do. When you never have no money If you jump on a bus, if you go link terror town, them thing you never ever go on. Now you have to talk about. Anyway, you got people want to take picture with your brother. All your video them shot, all your song them bad. That is why. Them thing you change the fuck out them with the around you, the fake ones them, G. Don't worry about them, my fam. Continue doing what you're doing. You continue.
Jaja protect my life, come down, no I won't fit yours. I'm a
Don't
dog,
drink
no
it.
I won't
No.
I don't know what is feeling.
Interesting. Interesting to ask, lad. Interesting and drink it. I hope you not drink it. I hope there's a twist.
Me no need it. I'm a dog, no I won't fit yours. I'm a dog, no I won't feel love. I'm a dog, no what is
Yeah! It come like a me. Let me set that trap there for. I miss it. I saw me feel. I say me excited. Me glad to drink it, my boss. Me glad to drink it. Cause that song I would finish a bumbo clot. Whoa! What on, my son there. Bring my son there, man. Come on, bring my son.
Don't know I will feel trust. I'm a don't know I will feel love. I'm a don't know what is feelings. Me no need it. No really need it. Because a brother broke me out just like a tree lip. And then you left me in the dark without a reason. Now I'm full with open scars when it's a healing. For everything there is a season.
Them man just sing them song different. If a gun song it different. If a girl song it different. If a them type of song it different. You can relate to that. That you just talented, brother. And that's why they don't like you because you're talent, my G. They don't like you because you're talent, my fam. That is why, dog.
I'm tell me about the friend them when I really know. Them only did that when you're up, not when you really broke. And what you drink, the more you drink, cause them reprise when you want send a girl below you up, then use a pill as tight. I protect my life, come down, no I won't feel trust. I'm a down, no I won't feel love. I'm a down, no what is feelings. Me no need it. I'm a down, no I won't feel trust. I'm a down, no I won't feel love. I'm a down, no what is feelings. Me no need it.
Sometime in life, when you keep the mindset there, you don't know, awful love or awful trust, better off for you. Cause as soon as the barrier go down, you drop down your barrier and let in some pussy, and them see man come fuck you up. So sometimes it's better to keep it up, brother. Prevention better than cure. That's what mama say. R.I.P. mama. Yes, R.I.P. mama. That's what mama say.
I pray my life, nothing me go through, I make me feel paranoid. Couple things happen to me, I know what time for me rise, and time for me shine. So don't broke my vibes, me know on the life. When the battery fly, I have to make sacrifice. We achieving a life, just meant to line. And see it to my eyes, and I pray for my eyes. Try to protect my life, come down, no I won't feel trust. I'm a down, no I won't feel love. I'm a down, no what is feelings. Me no need it. I'm a down, no I won't feel trust. I'm a down.
See, was you can't end the song, you can't end the video unless the man get a fat shot in them fat face. Or a fat shot in them fat head. Can't end the song without that happen, brother. You do it already in your next song when something different happen, it never happen. You can embarrass, but wait at me now. Don't do it again another one, please.
No, I won't feel love. I'm down, no what is feelings. Me no need it. No really need it. Because a brother broke me out just like a tree lip. And then you left me in the dark without a reason. Now I'm full with open scars when it's a healing. For everything there is a season. Mama tell me about the friend.
See pussy, yeah? Damien, this you know.
When I really know. Them only did that when you're up, not when you really broke. And what you drink, the more you drink, cause them reprise when you want send a girl below you up, then use a pill as tight. I protect my life, come down, no I won't feel trust. I'm a down, no I won't feel love. I'm a down, no.
Terry, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. That.
What is feelings? Me no need.
Don't say. What Terry so that different. Yeah.
I'm a down, no I won't feel trust. I'm a down, no I won't feel love. I'm a down, no what is feelings. Me no need it. Me no know.
Say the boss. Let me just say this to you, brother. If you diss terror, me I go diss you. Yeah, I said it. If you diss terror, me I go diss you. Terror, if you diss the man, me I go diss you. Yeah, if you diss the man, me I go diss you. Cause you know why? Terror, see the talent from the get-go. Terror put it to the front, the forefront. You see me? We see plenty of artists forward come to that. When we not say I go do that, my brother, we not say that I go do that, you know. But if that if you split ways and say, oh, I'm gonna do my thing on a amicable level, then we can say, alright, then cool. We see, that's cool, no problem. But if you split ways and one bag of come out in a social media and move on a blood clot with that, I don't want to see that. That team are perfect. That team enough to change up. That is why I say all of this. That team are perfect. That team enough to, because you know miss brother, you know miss dog. Your talent is just up there, bro. I know you have plenty more songs to write and put on already. Wait to come out. You know that. You see me? Cause terror work ethics crazy, dog. You see me? So you see it.
I'ma do for make the boy them hate me. Me don't know what I'ma do for make the boy them fear. So me have to pray to my God every day.
Yo, dear man, they're not gonna fat shot. Yo, dog. Dog. Why? Only criticism is if you start a story in the video, from the start of the video, I was invested. See, boss, me invested in that story there now. Because I want to see that boy get a fat shot. You know why? If you get a fat shot in the video, him no fit there on you no more. We see the video progress and him still there on you, my G. Him not fit there on you no more. Because him can try at different ways to catch your dog. And kill your dog. So the video should be ending when him dead. That's how me see. If you don't agree with me, leave in the comment section. But him not forget the next chance, brother. Can you pick up what go on, dog? That's where you stop drinking the drink, no? You pick up what go on. So that boy forget the fat shot. And that girl forget. Alright. Anyway, this is what I'm going to one. Bad concept, bad song. But I'm a bit disappointed. Me personally said the youth never get what him deserve in the end of the video. Still, that is just my opinion. Still, so big up on yourself, same way. Terror, big up on yourself, like me say. Silk Boss, big up on yourself, and the whole production team behind it. Alright, so this one I'm gonna leave down there. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Zin. Pew.